the push.
Right, I know. Okay, I just wanted to look at down here. All the hens and chickens.
Yeah, those are really doing good. The ones out by the garage.
Oh, yeah.
It's too hot for them out there.
Oh, they're
Oh my
they're
god.
not doing so well.
Well, no, they're not growing or nothing. It's just bad.
Yeah.
And it
Look
fits
how
all the
big
way up.
these got.
And
They're
then it was
just
bent, right?
Yeah.
No.
really nice and big.
It might have been up there.
Yeah.
When it hit the ground, it was almost like an
And most of these
Yeah,
rocks came
that's
from the
strong.
Mississippi.
Did they
There's some wood up
really?
there if it didn't bend, if it didn't break when the canoe hit it.
Yeah, it took me a
See
couple
if you
weeks
can
to
see everyone's reflection in there.
before I got it straightened out.
And then another man's junk is another man's treasure, right?
And we got
Sold
a
it to that
famous
other guy.
rock out there by the garage.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Oh, let's go look at it.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, I thought it was so.
Come tell Sherry about this rock by the garage.
That's the air conditioner making noise. Pass by.
Watch out, don't stumble.
Oh no, I won't. I see it. At least I do right now.
You get a picture of
Oh, yeah.
flowers?
Oh,
I got a
pretty.
picture of the runners too, or the box.
Very nice.
Of what?
I got a picture of the apartment where the runners are.
Oh.
It's good. Okay.
I'd like to know where those
jelly
bees went to.
I know.
Yeah.
Where do you think they went?
No idea.
for my
No?
They, I think they swarmed on the second day,
great jelly.
and well, when I read,
That's nice.
they send out scouts looking
Yeah.
for a new place,
Yeah.
and they come back and tell the rest of them that they have found a good place.
Uh-huh.
And the bees,
got a
if there are
different
10
kind.
bees that act
Oh, yeah,
more
we took
excited
this
than the
one
rest,
this time 'cause we had
that's
more
the place
stuff in
that they're going to go.
Okay.
And it's amazing that they found this up
We
here.
weren't sure
Yeah.
if Esty was
There's a
gonna
little
back
knot
us or
hole.
if She's not. She's gonna go with Wayne.
And the plug I had in there,
We didn't know how many
wasn't
so we
really
needed to
plugged
get
up.
there.
There's
Yeah.
a little bit along the edges.
Yeah.
But how did they find this?
Yeah, I
They
don't
went
know.
back already?
No,
Hmm.
they're staying in Waverly tonight.
Oh, okay.
But you should never have planted those trees there.
Oops.
Yeah, they got too
They can't
much
draw it?
shade.
They can't go up straight.
Oh, these
told
because
you.
of this guy.
When they planted them, they couldn't plant them there because it's going to grow out like it has. Shade.
Yeah.
I like them.
Yeah, they're pretty. I like the birch.
Yeah,
It's
I do
birch,
too.
right? Birch.
Yeah. Hop birch, they call them.
What's out of the garage here?
Well, that rock, tell Sherry about that rock.
Oh, well, I don't know much about it because I never asked.
Sherry, did you get a picture of this? I think that is so
I
gorgeous.
did. I got that. I sure did.
Oh,
I
what
should've-
is that?
Oh, this we got to take to Chenoweth's tomorrow morning.
Oh.
Does someone
we did
deliver
it.
that?
This deal here.
Uh-huh.
At first I thought it was a meteorite.
Right. It looks like one.
Yeah, it's, but then I believe it's really called magnetite because it's magnetic. It's very heavy.
It's magnetic?
Try to pick it up, but you probably can't pick it up. It probably weighs over 100 pounds. And the neighbor next door had it, and she was moving away. And I said, "Do you want this rock?" Now, being the sucker that I am, well, I said, "Sure, I'll take it." So I had to bring it over, and
Well, the science teacher came out and looked at it.
Oh yeah.
Really?
He thought
And,
maybe it flew from out of the sky.
I can't remember the name of this piece here, but it has to do with the iron ore.
Which one?
It's,
I'm gonna turn it back,
Oh.
otherwise it'll be crooked.
This
Well,
one?
these all came from the Mississippi, didn't they, Bud? These all came from the Mississippi.
Iron
well,
ore.
it came from the waterways of those ravines from Lansing to Harper's Ferry.
Magnetic
Big,
rock.
deep ravines, and I'd walk up them and I'd see those rocks like this. And there's one there. And being a sucker for rocks, why I want to home.
Got another one.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
then
Well, it's a nice rock collection you have.
Yeah, those are really interesting.
this is a small one, but it's a bigger one there.
Oh, look at that. Fossils?
Fossils.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, shells. Little shells.
Wow.
And where did I find this?
You can just
Well-
see them. They're just layered.
Yeah.
Uh, There's a creek down at the bottom, and here's the upper Iowa over here. It's way up on top. And I just happened to stumble on it as I was checking the area for fox trapping. And
Wow.
They're interesting, aren't they?
Really interesting.
He's got that little one, and then there's one back there. For their
well, I could probably pick up a truckload of them. See?
Yeah.
He was right there handy, right in the ditch, and almost to the top of the hill.
Wow.
You want to leave that out all night?
Well, what do you think?
It'll be all right.
Yeah, it'll be good.
Okay.
It's nice and cool.
Yeah.
Yep, that was at Grandma's funeral.
The flowers were
Pretty.
gorgeous.
Oh, they really were. They were beautiful.
The ones on the casket I thought were very pretty.
Yeah,
And I loved her blue casket.
that
Did
was
she pick
nice.
that up?
No, we ended up picking that out.
Okay.
Yeah,
It's just perfect for her.
isn't it? It was perfect.
That car looks like it's doing 90 miles an hour.
Okay, now Grandpa, what airplanes are these? You flew all these planes, right?
Can't hear you, Sherry.
Grandpa, you flew all of these planes?
Yeah,
Okay,
at different times.
which
but
one?
Not, a big one up in the middle
Uh-huh,
was, we called it a C-47.
C-47, okay.
But it was built in 1935, and it was called a, let me see, what they call it back then, DC-3.
DC-3, okay,
DC means domestic.
okay.
Then in the military, then they called it a C for cargo,
Okay.
47.
Oh, okay.
That would haul about 5,000 pounds.
Okay. Wow. And then what about the white one at the bottom?
That was a trainer aircraft.
Trainer aircraft? Okay.
Yeah, it didn't have any hoods. It was open air.
Okay. Wow.
That little bit of a one, that's the one I sold first on. Way up
That
there.
oh, that one. Okay.
This first plane, this little bit kind of white one, that was the primary. They had 3 stages: the primary, advanced, and the final one. That plane right here in the corner, that was the final one. They called
one-
it an AT-6.
This one, the one at the bottom?
Yeah, the one on this here. That was the advanced one.
Okay.
That's
Oh, are you talking about
it's supposed to represent a barrel roll. You can see how it's kind of twisting.
the one oh over there? Okay.
And the
What's
one on
what's
the
the
other
name
side
of
now,
what's the name of that one?
Yeah.
What's the name of that one?
Well, we called it in the AT-6, Advanced
Okay.
Trainer 6.
AT-6. Okay.
Had a pretty good horsepower engine,
Yeah.
and I got it up to almost 300 miles an hour once.
Whoa.
It was strictly disallowed. The speed limit was 180,
Yeah.
and the back panel blew out,
Oh, geez.
and I called it a minor accident.
Oh.
So I had a check ride, and I lied and said I was doing a split S. Split S, you're going along like this and come down go back the other way.
Oh, okay.
In World War I, they called it an Immelman. Where you're flying like this, you want to change 180 degrees, you lift up on your back and come like this, see?
Huh.
And I
Okay.
said that's what I was doing.
That's what you were doing? Yeah.
I told him that, see? Oh, I lied. Well, I was,
What's that last plane up top?
let's see what?
The one on the right, all the way up in the
Way
corner?
in the corner. That was the middle one, the BT. They called it a Basic Trainer 13. And we
BT-13,
called it a Vultee vibrator.
Volti
It
vibrator.
was made by Vultee Aircraft, so we
Okay.
called it a Vultee vibrator because it roared and moaned and creaked and shivered and shook.
Wow. Okay.
But that's what you had to go through.
Yeah. Well, that's really neat.
Now, my brother was also a pilot, and I'm not sure, but I don't think they had that kind of a program. I think they just started out with the plane they were going to fly. But in the Air Corps, you went through 3 stages, and I couldn't say which was the better.
Yeah. Yeah.
Evidently, you must have learned something because
Yeah.
I got my wings. And,
Yeah. That's great. That's great.
and you see, I don't know how many, maybe 40%, maybe more than that, washed out. Because it's not that they couldn't learn, but they couldn't learn fast enough. Because so many of the planes are being shot down, and of course you shoot down a bomber with a crew of 9, you also shoot those aircrew members too.
Yeah.
So then they replacement planes and replacement aircrew members. And that's why I got in the Air Force. Because it used to be you had to have 2 years of college. And then that time came when they needed replacements. So anybody that could pass the test they take, even if you failed kindergarten, and you could pass the test, what the tests were actually was just an IQ test. And then you had to have a physical, of course. And then there was another, I'd say there was at least 10 officers. And you sat in the middle, and they sat all around you. They were popping questions at you, see? Well,
Yeah.
I got in.
You got in.
I got
Wow.
in because I learned to fly this little squirt up there. That's all that got me in,
That little one up there.
because they turned me down the first time. And said I shouldn't apply again because the record would go to Washington. I figured they were lying to me. So I sat home with some money, and I went out to the airport and learned to fly this little plane there.
And how much money was it again? How much money?
I had $80 saved up.
Okay.
$80 was a small fortune back in 1940,
Yeah. Yeah.
and I soloed. The night I soloed, my money ran out.
Yeah.
That was it. I soloed, and
So yeah.
so when I applied again, well, why do you want to get into the Air Force? Well, here I got my student's license. I showed it to them, and I like to fly. And that's all they got me in. See?
Well.
The first time I gave them a bunch of malarkey, and they could see through it.
Yeah.
So always tell it like it is.
Yeah. Yeah.
People aren't so dumb as you might think sometimes.
Yeah.
So you have to tell it like it is. So I learned a good big lesson there.
Yeah.
So anyway, that's the,
Well, thanks, Grandpa. Thanks. That's good. Thank you. Thank you.
yeah, I'll just, yeah, we painted that, painted this too.
Storm was coming and it went.
Only she didn't paint them wild, she
Yeah.
painted them tame.
Yeah.
There's a bunch of tame geese there, I want them wild.
Oh, I see.
Once you're wild enough,
Beautiful.
hawk up there, goes the eagle.
Uh-huh.
But it's a mural.
Yeah.
That mural
Beautiful.
isn't supposed to be fine art.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Well, thank you, Grandpa. Okay. Thank you.
Oh yeah, you know it. Clear this stuff off.
Sherry,
Yeah.
who did the flowers for the casket? Somebody from town?
Oh, Chickadee. And I mentioned your name and they knew you very well.
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, they did a good job.
Didn't they?
Yeah,
They
it was
really
just
did.
gorgeous. Very, very pretty.
Yeah.